Yeah, it looks like the bearings is up. See, it should be turning this outside on its own or the inside on its own, while if I hold the outside like this, it should be turning the inside, but it's turning the whole bearing, which is causing it to bend where it is mounted inside there. I don't know if you can see it, but inside there is bent. You see it's melting. It's also melting there. You see it's melting where the bearing is sitting, and also the coils have been bent. So I don't know if you can get this size of a bearing, and also if you can manage to pull it out. You can see the bearing separates on its own. See this, and also it's missing some ball bearings there. See this whole side doesn't have ball bearings. It's missing ball bearings for all this side, and it's black. You can see it's 10 black instead. And see, this is the seals for the bearing that I already done. So if we can save it, try to save it. You can replace the bearing, then try to fit it, then possible can save this machine back to work again. So I'm gonna need to see if we can find a bearing, and I think possible this is the number for the bearing. So we're gonna need to see if we can get the bearing. So this one is coming here. Yeah. So but yeah, the bearing seized and everything's fucked up. Everything's broken. So this is a machine for cutting the wood. It's a Ryobi. So I'm just trying to see how can we save it. So my uncle is using it to cut the wood with it. So yeah, please subscribe to the channel for more videos. Please help me to reach my first 1,000 subscribers. Yeah, I'm going a little bit that time. I just left the job. I'm not working anymore, so I'm just doing some part-time jobs. Please help me to get something for me. If you can help me to get some job for myself. I'm full-time vehicle repair specialist. I'm doing oil changes, services, brakes, diagnostics, suspension, clutch and brake, all that stuff. Yeah. So if you can help me with that, and you can continue with life. So for now, I'm just doing this part-time job. My uncle. Actually, I'm just doing it for free. Thank you.